This glass is designed to stop a bullet traveling at deadly speed. Even when struck with extreme force, the glass stays intact. This silent shield protects banks and the people inside them. Hidden inside are multiple layers engineered for survival. This is where bulletproof glass begins, inside a high-security factory. It all starts with silica sand, extracted from deep underground. This fine, white sand is the main ingredient of glass. Massive trucks transport tons of raw silica every day. The journey continues toward the glass manufacturing plant. Silica sand is unloaded into industrial storage systems. Limestone is added to improve strength and durability. Soda ash helps lower melting temperature inside the furnace. Special chemical additives fine-tune clarity and performance. Every batch is sampled to ensure strict quality standards. Laboratories test purity before production begins. The sand moves through automated high-pressure water removes dust and impurities. Industrial dryers prepare the sand for extreme heat. Fine sieves separate particles by exact size. Only perfectly prepared sand moves forward. Each ingredient is precisely measured by automated systems. Silica, soda ash, and limestone are mixed together. The mixture is fed into a high-temperature furnace. Inside, temperatures reach over 1,700 degrees. Raw materials melt into glowing liquid glass. The molten glass flows continuously from the furnace. It spreads smoothly across a bath of molten tin. A continuous ribbon of glass moves forward. The glass cools slowly to prevent internal stress. Temperatures are monitored every second. Rollers control thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. The cooled glass emerges crystal clear. Laser sensors verify uniform thickness. Machines cut the glass into large panels. Robotic arms lift each sheet without damage. Edges are trimmed and smooth. Surfaces are polished for optical clarity. Advanced scanners detect even microscopic flaws. The base glass is now ready for armoring. Special polymer layers are carefully unpacked inside a controlled clean room. Strict cleanliness standards are checked before lamination begins. Glass and polymer layers are stacked in an exact sequence. These layers work together to absorb and disperse ink. Automated systems align every layer with extreme precision. The layered stack is sealed under vacuum to remove trapped air. Vacuum pressure tightens the layers into a single structure. The sealed glass is prepared for high-pressure bonding. The autoclave chamber locks down the critical bonding stage. Inside, heat and pressure permanently fuse the layers together. Over time, the glass becomes one solid armored panel. Pressure and temperature are monitored continuously. A controlled cooling process prevents internal stress. The chamber opens, revealing fully bonded bulletproof glass. The finished panel shows exceptional clarity and thickness. Each panel is measured to meet exact specifications. Edges are carefully finished for strength and safety. Corners are shaped to prevent stress concentration. Final cleaning removes all remaining surface particles. Optical tests ensure clear, undistorted vision. Light distortion is checked with precision instruments. The glass is tested to withstand heavy impacts. Approved panels receive their ballistic protection rating. Each unit is permanently marked with a unique serial number. Panels that fail inspection are removed for recycling. Approved glass is stored securely for the next stage. Protective film guards the surface during handling. Heavy armored panels are moved using overhead cranes. The finished bulletproof glass awaits testing and delivery. The finished panel is secured inside a controlled ballistic testing chamber. The test weapon is aligned with precision to ensure accurate results. A high-speed round is fired toward the armored glass. The glass absorbs the impact, stopping the bullet on contact. Engineers measure deformation on the protected side. Crack patterns are analyzed for structural integrity. Multiple impacts confirm resistance under repeated fire. High-speed footage reveals how the glass dissipates energy. Only panels that pass every test receive final approval. Glass that fails is safely destroyed under strict controls. Broken panels are processed for recycling. Recovered material is collected for reuse. Environmental and safety compliance is carefully monitored. Final documentation confirms the glass meets all standards. Approved panels are labeled and prepared for shipment. Protective crates are built to withstand heavy transport. Shock-absorbing materials line the interior. The armored glass is lowered carefully into the crate. Additional protection secures the glass in place. Each crate is sealed and reinforced. Forklifts load the shipment onto transport trucks. Crates are secured to prevent movement in transit. Truck doors are locked for safe delivery. Shipping details are recorded and verified. Tracking systems monitor the shipment's journey. The truck departs the factory grounds. The glass travels long distances by road. Shipments arrive at secure distribution centers. Crates are unloaded with extreme care. The glass is stored until final delivery. Bulletproof glass is supplied through authorized distributors. Each panel is inspected before sale.
These are our
Security
new
needs are
laminated
assessed
security
for
glass
each location.
options.
But what is the impact resistance rating on this thicker one?
Glass is custom cut to fit bank installation. Installation teams prepare for on-site fitting. The destination is a working bank branch. Standard glass is carefully removed. Bulletproof glass is installed into reinforced frames. Seals and brackets lock the glass in place. Final checks ensure stability and alignment. The installation is approved by management. Bank staff
How can I
now
help you
work
today?
behind armored protection.
I need to
Customers
deposit
are
this check and
served
get
in
some
a
cash back.
secure environment.
How much cash would you like?
The glass remains clear, yet incredibly strong. This invisible barrier delivers safety and trust. From simple sand to advanced protection. Multiple layers combine strength with clarity. Engineering precision is visible at every edge. Designed to stop bullets and save lives. This is how bulletproof glass is made.